Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add terms and conditions on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the website you want to add terms and conditions page on. Go to Pages, click on this plus icon and select a blank page. Call it terms and conditions. Hit enter on your keyboard. And now click on this edit button from the top to start editing your new page. Click on add section. Select add a blank section. And now click on add block. Select text. Make it a little bit bigger, just like that. And now to get your terms and conditions content or text, just visit this website called seomagnifier.com and /terms and conditions generator. Fill in your company name, for example, Plumbing Easy. Your website name, it's the same, and your website URL. And hit the submit button. Click on download as HTML. Open the file you download and select all of your text, just like that. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Copy it and go back to your Squarespace editing page and click on paste. And this is your terms and conditions text. Don't forget to click on this save button on this corner to not lose your editing. Click on exit and go into the preview mode. And this is your terms and conditions URL, and this is the text. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.